Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the face recognition scanner on your OnePlus 15R isn't recognizing your face properly. In such case, the first thing that we're gonna have to do is, of course, remove the previous face model from this device and try to enroll a new one. Now, in order to do everything properly, let's go to settings and let's open security and privacy menu in here. Then go to device unlock, select face and fingerprint unlock, then go to face, enter your password and delete face data that you currently have on your phone. And now, before adding a new facial data, we're gonna have to make sure that we can clearly see our face in the camera. To make sure of that, use a microfiber cloth to gently wipe the surface of your frontal camera and make sure that it's clean and smooth. Next, make sure that the lighting in your room is set properly so that your light faces you and not your camera, and make sure that your face isn't way too bright so that your facial features are visible well. And now to proceed, let's tap Add Face, then make sure to look directly at your phone's camera and tap Add Now, and then just keep your face within the frame until this circle is filled. Then tap Done. And now, before we proceed, let's also make sure that our phone's software is up to date, because oftenly some models have some security features like this one that we're trying to resolve in this video, and they get fixed pretty quickly. All we have to do is just install the most recent update on our phone. So let's go to System and Update menu, go to Software Update, make sure that your phone is connected to the internet, tap here several times, and if you see that your phone's version is up to date, then it means that there is nothing that we can do here. If you do have an update, however, of course, download and install it before proceeding, and once the update is installed, restart your phone. If you didn't have an update, just like me, then just restart your phone in a regular way by pressing power button and volume up key and swiping the circle up to restart the phone, and then just wait for your device to be restarted. This way we will make sure that all the changes are applied. Once your device is restarted, first unlock it using the password, and then let's lock the phone and let's look directly at our phone's camera. Once we press the side button to unlock the device, and if you see the key block opening animation, that means that your face recognition scanner is working just fine. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.